Good morning everybody. I'm Helen and I'm the tour guide for Parks, Manor Touring and Transfers, and today we're going to go on a Robberg walk, and I'm going to be picking you up over here at the beautiful Parks Manor in Manor. Half of our walk, we're going to be walking on the island that you can see in the distance over there, and then along that beautiful beach, up along the rocks and back to where we started. So this is the map of our walk that we're going to be doing. We're here at the moment. We're going to go on the left side of Robberg and walk all the way along the side of the mountain. It's a little bit up and down, but the most fantastic views. We'll get to a sand dune, which we're going to take a walk down, and then there's an optional choice. You can walk around this island or walk back along the beach, over some rocks, back to the gap, and then back to where we started again. So let's go. Down below me over here, we've got the Robberg beach. Beautiful beaches, lovely for swimming and surfing in summer. In the distance is the little town of Plettenberg Bay. So here you see the gentle giants. We've got quite a few varieties of whales that we see from this type of viewpoint, and it's the southern right whales that we look out for. They visit us every single year between May and December, and they swim up to our coastline all the way from Antarctica. We see lots of different types of fynbos here at the Robberg Nature Reserve. This one is a wild rosemary, and it's got the most beautiful smell if you crush the leaves, and many years ago the people used to use it in cooking. Walked probably about 500 meters or so. So if anybody doesn't want to do the full walk, you can always make a loop at this point and go back to the car. So the gap, Robberg, looks like this. The peninsula is shaped like this, and there's this big sort of gap in it, and that's why it's called the gap. A steep walk up. We're going to stop here at this beautiful viewpoint for a water break. So guys, we're very fortunate today. We've spotted two great white sharks in the water down below us over here, and we can see them today because the water is so flat and so clear. And this is the wild camphor bush. If you rub the leaf, you can get a beautiful camphor smell. So this is a great spot to see the Cape fur seal. There's a lot of them on the rocks down below us over here. The guys on the whale watching boats say that there's probably about 3,000 seals along this side of Robberg. And this is why Robberg is called Robberg. It's because of these Cape fur seals. In Afrikaans, rob is a Cape fur seal. So if you translate it, it's Robberg, or the Seal Mountain. So we've walked about 1.8 kilometers already. This plant that I want to show you over here is called a buchu. Now the buchu's got a very strong smell, almost citrusy or garlicky, and they make a brandy with the buchu infused in it. So here we are at the sand dune. It's called Viewpoint, and it's a rolling sand dune. So if it's very windy, if the wind is coming from that side, it blows all the sand up from the beach and all the way to the other side. So here we are on top of the sand dune. We've got the waves breaking from this side and the waves breaking from this side. They do meet in the middle. If it is a very high tide, if you try and walk across there, you're definitely going to get wet. It's absolutely stunning up here. Guys, we're going to take a little slow walk down this beautiful sand dune, and I'm going to race you to the bottom. Island. We have already walked about 2.1 kilometers. This is a little extra bit, and the island is a sanctuary for seagulls, a breeding area for seagulls with some beautiful views. It's quite steep going up the steps. Our way back this way now on the other side of Robberg along this beautiful beach. In the background over here you can see the gap of Robberg. Walked 4.4 kilometers already. We're going to carry on and finish the walk along the seaside of Robberg, and we're going to walk all the way up this back where we started. It's taken us about 2.5 hours, and we walked 5.5 kilometers. We had a